Deep in the heart of the Cordilleras lies a road carved through time and terrain, Halsema Highway. Built in the 1930s under the leadership of American engineer Eusebius Julius Halsema. This road was once a narrow foot trail. With the help of local communities, especially the Igorots, it evolved into a lifeline connecting the highlands to the lowlands. Stretching over 150 kilometers, Halsema Highway weaves through the provinces of Benguet and Mountain Province, linking the city of Baguio to Bontoc. Along the way it passes through towns like La Trinidad, Tublay, Atac, Bugias, Baco, Sabangon, and the ever-mystical Sagada. At its highest point in Atac, Benguet, the road climbs to 2,255 meters above sea level. Once the highest altitude ever recorded in the Philippine highway system. But beauty here walks hand in hand with danger. Known for its sharp curves, steep cliffs, thick fog and frequent landslides, especially during the rainy season, Halsema Highway earned its place among the world's most dangerous roads in 2013. Yet despite the risks, travelers return, not just for the breathtaking views, but for the spirit of the Cordillera that lives within these mountains. Here, every turn tells a story. A story of resilience, heritage, and the quiet courage of those who dare to journey through.